Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a line in Capcut. Let's begin. Adding a line in Capcut can help enhance your video by highlighting certain elements, creating a sleek design, or guiding the viewer's attention. Because for one, lines can be used for various purposes, such as creating borders, transitions, or even to emphasize specific parts of your video. Whether you're looking to add a simple straight line or a more complex design, Capcut makes it easy to do so. How? All I have to do is open the Capcut app and then proceed to creating a new project to begin your work or start from scratch. In my case, I am choosing this specific project that I've been playing with, and as you can see, I wanted to add a line here. Because lines can add a clean, stylish look to your video, whether it's a minimalist design or something more bold. Of course, lines can complement your visual theme. So what I'm going to do is, there are two ways for you to be able to add a line. Number one option is going to be going to the stickers here and then type in line and then press enter. So you have all these lines that you can add to your video. All right, so it's up to you what kind of line do you want. For example, this straight line right here. All right, so the lines has been added. Of course, you can increase the line to create a border for edges. So that's one way, using the stickers. Once you're happy, just click on the check button. Another option that you can do, of course, we're going to scrub this so that it matches our play length. The next one is going to be adding a text. All right, and then I'm going to type in underscore right here and all the way through. All right. Of course, you go to the effects. You can choose from any of the following. For example, this one right here, or maybe let's choose something like a very simple. Maybe this one, and then scrub it. Place it wherever you want to create the line with. Once you're happy with it, as you can see, you can use lines to point a specific element to your video or direct the viewer's eyes attention. I'm gonna make sure that they are like the matches of the length of our video. And once you play that through from the very beginning, you would notice adding lines can be used for transitions between scenes or for creative effects, helping to make your video more dynamic. Once you're happy with it, just click the export button on top of the right corner where you can save it to different file formats and maybe send it to your client for feedback. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.